you guys looking to make extra money? Because I sure am. Well, I found the perfect way. So drop shipping, selling products, t-shirts, anything, that's all dead. The thing about that is that it's hard to find sales, and also the expenses are too high. So the best way in order for you guys to make money is trading. So you probably see it all over the place, that trading stocks, cryptocurrency, everything is probably the most best way that you can make money. But the myth out there is basically, it's gambling, that every time, something's gone up, it just comes back down and you lose money, or it's very hard. It's not hard. The thing is that you guys just don't know how to trade. So what I'm going to talk to you guys today about is the NZ stock market. So there's consistent good opportunities that happen in the NZ market, but you just need to know how to catch them. So a lot of people out there in the NZ market, they're investors. So we can take advantage of that. And you guys must be thinking, how do we take advantage of that? It's from material announcements. So basically when people start to buy a stock, let's say after an annual meeting, or let's say after like an announcement, or this company's gonna make like 20-30% more next year, what happens is that everyone starts to rush into the stock. And when people rush into the stock, they don't try and trade it, they rush into it because they want to get it at a good price and hold for the long term. But what happens after people get into the stock? Well, let's take an example. Let's just say they had a material announcement like right here. The company is going to make 20% more revenue next year, and all you see is this huge, upwards movement in price. But what tends to happen sometimes is the price can go back down. So how do you catch stuff like that? How do you catch it consistently? So how do you want to catch just this opportunity here and just miss this opportunity here? So how you want to catch this is consistently finding these opportunities on the charts and then implementing them into your trading plan. So basically, like in this here, you see this consolidation phase here, it's had a material announcement, you see the stock just explode higher. So for example, you just jump in here, but you've got to make sure that you have an area where you'll get out if the trade goes the wrong way, because in the markets, nothing is certain. If anyone could predict the stock market, then everyone would be rich. Simple as that, but you can't. So what you need to be taking into account is market conditions. Is the market conditions good? Are we in a run-up phase, consolidation phase, a rundown phase? Because if the market conditions are good and we're in a run-up phase, then you know that our setups like this is going to be bullish, they're going to work. So you can catch anywhere from like 5 to 10% on these spikes in just a few days. So this could be just like 1 week. This right here, 1 week you made 10%. So if you shove like $10,000 into this trade here, you could have made $1,000 in 1 week. And that's like amazing. So basically, but what happens if you don't catch that? Well, you usually look at market depth, you look at areas where there's a lot of buyers, and if the price starts to reverse, the investors are there to pick you up. So if you just get out of your trade with a small loss, and there you go. So this is why trading is such a great way to make an additional income and just to build your capital overall. For those people that are investing for the long term, like yes, they're probably going to be rich in like 10, 20, 30 years. The thing is, why not use your money in your savings account, consistently make 5 to 10%, off these trades, material announcements, off your setups, and then after you make the trade, you just simply back into cash again, safe. You basically, let's say you have a 10 grand account. You got 10,000 in your account, you identify a trade, you shove 10 grand in right here, you make 10% off it, now you're up to $11,000. So $11,000, you're back into cash. You're good, you're safe, there's no stress. With an investment, let's say you invested here, or you invested up here, and all of a sudden you invested your 10 grand, and stock starts to move down. Then you're probably going to be down 10%. So your 10,000 is probably going to go to 9,000, and your brokerage account is probably going to show like 10% less. You don't want to be doing that, that's stressful. You don't know if the stock is going to just go lower and lower and lower, you don't know that. So the best way is to consistently take these like 5 to 10% opportunities. And you just got to be identifying the setups, because you don't have to trade all the time. Just hold on to cash. You see the opportunity, take advantage. Take advantage, simply. It's just identifying the opportunities. And this can be done. I've done it many times. You can look at my results on Instagram, you can look at my YouTube videos. The reason why I make these YouTube videos and why I'm doing this video is because this is possible. Otherwise I wouldn't be doing this, simple as that. So the thing is, if you guys want to learn how to trade consistently and how to trade New Zealand stocks the proper way, then definitely sign up to all the stuff that I offer. I offer ebook, free courses, so I've got all the free content there. And if you guys want to take the next step and you want to be a master trader in the NZ market, then you can definitely take my master course that shows you guys all that you need to know in order to be consistently profitable in the NZ market. So what are you waiting for? Literally, just get out of our jobs, just do something, just make a side income, just stop stuffing around, let's do it. So I'll see you there. Sign up.